Willer WTBR1000 soldering robot, demonstration of its barcoding capabilities. So if we come over here to the computer, we've got the fixture loaded with the parts that we want to solder. So that corresponds to the part there, the application loaded on the software that we want to solder, and there's a barcode associated to that. So now if we come and we scan the incorrect barcode of the clearly incorrect fixture and we try to run that program, immediately an error comes up on the robot software. If we try that again now with the correct fixture placed in the drawer and we run the program, it runs no problem.